Cousins, hey everyone, hey family, welcome back to my channel. Guys, we have hit the 100 so far. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for everyone that has been subscribing and supporting this channel. Cousin, you're so amazing and awesome people. So for those who do not know me, my name is Anoushka, but on this YouTube channel I am known as Anoushka Diamond. Other than that, today I had a wash day. I've washed my hair already. So yeah, we're going to jump to what we came to do today. So shall we? On today's video, I've decided to show few products. Actually, there's only two products that I'm using to actually take care of my hair. Oh, wait. First thing first before the product. Come on. You must have this is miracle. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm showing off because this is just new bottle I just got myself. No, my mom got me. Yeah, because she went to do shopping. So yeah, she got us one. So yeah, that's the latest one I got because the last one is completely finished. Other than this beautiful cute bottle, but I was considering to add some more, but for tonight I'm gonna use just two products. And this the heatable I know some people will ask me why am I not using the how do you call it, the entire Cantu product or whatever. I do sometimes, but today we are using this combo. This is the tonight combo. will be the final product of what we have to do. After this, you can wear your bunny, your satin bunny, or you use a satin scarf to wrap around your head and to go to La La Land. If you like this video, just give it some thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the family, cousin. This is how we call ourselves here. And don't forget to share and share and share and share and share and share. Not just this video, the videos that we talk out and other videos on the channel. This will go into the hair playlist, so you can just go in there and find some other videos according to what you want to know about hair. I'm not an expert, but this is just my own experience about hair. So any question, just type it in the comment section, and once I get into it, I will answer you. So other than that, keep yourself safe. Don't forget to let your friend, your family friend, everybody that you know that this channel exists, just share. God bless you and have a good time. Keep safe during this pandemic. Sanitize your hand. Bye. Whenever I ever whenever you post a YouTube episode, just click on that notification bell.